Hello, I'm Sandy Donaldson. I'm the co-founder of Empiricus and the head of strategy, and I'm based in Atlanta, Georgia. So the regulation for pharma when it comes to television buys is getting increasingly restrictive. It's already been a couple of years since direct-to-consumer television ads have been around, and we've already had restrictions being placed on pharma for the last couple of years. Since the advent of the Trump administration, we've obviously seen those restrictions in the regulatory environment contract even furthermore. So when it comes to understanding the fair balanced elements and what actually has to go into anything regarding black box warnings or any limitations of the medicine, we've seen those restrictions become even more of a regulatory minefield for pharma companies. So now what we see is that pharma companies are being a little bit more precautious in the types and the volume of TV advertising that they're doing. So it's a good question. I think that there still is a place for television advertising in terms of reaching consumers for pharma products, but we're seeing that it's becoming increasingly focused. So it's gone from the days where we had mass television adverts to a place now where it's needed to be much more targeted, and the effectiveness is really coming into questions as well. And with the advent of new technology and the ability for pharma to be much more precise and targeted in its digital adverts to TV, on TV, that's where I think the future lies. So it is becoming increasingly constricted for pharma companies in their ability to use TV ads.